Fueling your body before and after a workout is one of the most critical aspects of fitness and athletic performance. The right foods at the right time can significantly impact muscle recovery, energy levels, endurance, and overall physical well-being. This article delves into the best foods for pre- and post-workout nutrition, their physiological effects, and how dietary needs differ across age groups. Every piece of information is rooted in scientific principles, providing real value to readers looking to optimize their workout regimen. Why pre-workout nutrition matters. Your body needs energy to perform at its peak during a workout. Whether you are lifting weights, engaging in endurance training, or participating in high-intensity interval training, proper pre-workout nutrition ensures maximum performance, delays fatigue, and minimizes muscle breakdown. Carbohydrates as fuel. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for workouts. They break down into glucose, which is stored as glycogen in muscles and the liver. Consuming adequate carbs before a workout prevents premature exhaustion and ensures sustained energy levels. Protein for muscle protection. Including a moderate amount of protein before exercise aids in muscle protein synthesis, reduces muscle catabolism, and enhances recovery post-workout. Healthy fats for endurance. While fats take longer to digest, they are beneficial for long-duration activities such as marathon running, cycling, or hiking. 2. Best pre-workout foods. Bananas. Packed with fast-digesting carbohydrates and potassium, bananas provide an instant energy boost. Oatmeal with berries. A slow-releasing carbohydrate source that maintains steady blood sugar levels throughout the workout. Greek yogurt with honey provides a combination of protein and simple carbohydrates for sustained energy. Whole grain toast with peanut butter. A balanced mix of carbs, healthy fats, and protein for optimal pre-exercise fuel. Brown rice with chicken. Ideal for individuals with a longer digestion window, ensuring a steady supply of energy. 3. Timing of pre-workout meals, 30-60 minutes before exercise. Opt for simple carbohydrates like fruits, smoothies, or energy bars. 2-3 hours before exercise. A balanced meal with proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Importance of post-workout nutrition. After an intense workout, your muscles experience micro tears, glycogen depletion, and an increase in metabolic activity. Proper post-workout nutrition aids in muscle recovery, replenishes lost nutrients, and prevents soreness. Protein for muscle repair. Consuming high-quality protein post-workout stimulates muscle protein synthesis, reducing muscle damage and promoting growth. Carbohydrates for glycogen replenishment. Carbs help restore glycogen stores, particularly crucial for endurance athletes or individuals engaging in prolonged workouts. Hydration for recovery. Replenishing lost fluids and electrolytes prevents dehydration, muscle cramps, and fatigue. 5. Best post-workout foods. Protein shake with banana. A combination of fast-absorbing protein and carbohydrates for muscle recovery. Eggs with whole grain toast. A nutrient-dense meal rich in protein and healthy fats. Salmon with quinoa. A powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and complex carbs. Greek yogurt with nuts. A great blend of protein, healthy fats, and probiotics. Sweet potatoes with grilled chicken. Ideal for restoring glycogen and providing long-lasting energy. 6. Age-specific nutritional needs. Teenagers, 13-19 years, require more protein and carbohydrates to support growth, metabolism, and muscle development. Young adults, 20-35 years, a balanced diet with lean proteins, whole grains, and micronutrients to maintain peak physical performance. Middle-aged individuals, 36-50 years, a focus on lean protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, and heart-healthy fats to sustain energy and muscle mass. Older adults, 51+ years, prioritize proteins, anti-inflammatory foods, and hydration to preserve muscle strength and joint health. Final thoughts. Eating the right foods before and after a workout can significantly impact performance, recovery, and overall fitness progress. The key is to understand the body's specific needs based on activity levels and age. Fueling with the right nutrients enhances endurance, promotes muscle synthesis, and prevents fatigue. Whether you're a teenager, young adult, or aging athlete, Proper nutrition is the foundation of an effective workout regimen.